Well, the time is 9:13 and the statistics are truly alarming. A fatal house fire occurs approximately every 3 hours in America, and more than 20,000 people are injured or pass away from carbon monoxide poisoning each and every year. And that's why News 8 is proud to partner with Kidde Fire Safety and the Home Depot along with the Connecticut Burn Center to present the 5th annual Operation Save a Life. This is a wonderful event, and joining us now is Kidde Marketing Specialist Jessica Bird. Welcome back here yet again to CT Style. Great to see you again this year.
Great to be back.
So tell us about everything that we can expect this year. Operation Save a Life, truly wonderful event.
Yeah, so we're excited to bring it back this year. Another 6,000 alarms being donated on behalf of Kidde and the Home Depot right here to the Connecticut community. They're going directly to the fire departments today, so we are very excited. In total through the last 5 years, we've donated 33,000 smoke and CO alarms right here in the Connecticut communities.
Hard to believe. And are there many families that have fire detectors or carbon monoxide detectors that should be updated?
Yes, so if your alarm is more than 10 years old, you definitely should check the alarm and get a new alarm, because alarms unfortunately don't last forever.
Sure.
And a lot of people think that they do last forever. So you definitely want to check the date and make sure to check your alarm and test it weekly to make sure that it's working.
Yeah, so anything older than 10 years, keep that in mind. I'm sure a lot of people at home are shaking their heads saying, oh, I better get on this. So today, we're all making the donations to the different fire departments. Then what's the process for people who might need one in their home?
Yeah, if you need a working smoke alarm and you cannot afford to go get one, contact your local fire department. They will have these alarms today, and they are ready and willing to come out. If you're not sure of placement of your alarms, you can also contact the fire department, and they can come out and do a walkthrough in your home to just check and make sure you have the proper alarms and that they are working correctly.
Speaking of proper alarms, you brought 3 of them here with you. If you don't mind walking us through which ones these are?
Yeah, so these are just different types of alarms. So we also we offer location-based alarms. So we have a kitchen alarm, which you can place in your kitchen, which is actually a combo alarm. It has smoke and CO detection. So that's nice. Then we also have a carbon monoxide alarm. You want to at least have one of these on every level of your home. And we also have just a bedroom alarm, which actually can talk and, kind of warns you to get out in case there is a fire. But they're just specific to rooms. All the alarms that we're donating today have the 10-year sealed-in batteries, so the batteries can't be tampered, and there's no low battery late night chirping. So we all know that
gets... So we can sleep a little bit. Thanks for doing that, by the way. Also, on October 1st, it's Save a Life Saturday at Home Depot, which is going to be another great event.
Yes, another great event for resources. If you are unsure about alarms, you don't know which alarm to place in where, in what room, you can go out to the Home Depot stores, and there will be a representative there that can show you and walk you through how many alarms you need in your home, which alarms to install in your home, and just give you any kind of safety information that you need.
Excellent.
So October 1st.
Jessica, thank you so much yet again for joining us here on CT Style, and News 8 is really proud to be a partner here with Operation Save a Life. So make sure that you head on over to your local fire department for more information, or head on over to WTNH.com and search Operation Save a Life. And thanks again to our good friends at Kidde. Now we're going to send things over to Miss Teresa in the Bender kitchen.